If you want to open your Hostinger email quickly and without any confusion, this video will walk you through the exact steps from start to finish. Whether you're checking messages for your business, accessing a custom domain email, or just logging in for the first time, this is the easiest way to get into your Hostinger Webmail account. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. It really helps the channel and it lets you know when new tutorials are posted. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to webmail.hostinger.com. You can type that directly into the address bar and then press enter. This will take you to the Hostinger Webmail login page where you can access the email account connected to your Hostinger setup. Once the page loads, you'll see the login form. Here, enter your email address in the mail field. Make sure you type it carefully because if the email is incorrect, you won't be able to sign in. After that, enter your password in the password field. If you're copying and pasting the password, double check that there are no extra spaces before or after it. After your email and password are entered, click the login button. Hostinger will now verify your credentials and take you into your inbox if the details are correct. If everything is entered properly, you should now be inside your Hostinger email account and ready to read, send, or manage your messages. From here, you can check incoming emails, reply to clients, organize your inbox, or continue setting up your email workflow. If you run into any issues, the first thing to check is whether your email address and password are correct. Also, make sure you're using the right mailbox linked to your Hostinger account. In many cases, a simple typo or incorrect password is the reason login does not work. So, just to recap, the process is very simple. Go to webmail.hostinger.com, enter your mail and password, and click Login. That's all it takes to open Hostinger email and access your inbox. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.